Now, do you intend to pursue the remaining 3 for arrest? Because you cannot suspend because of what has happened.
The DCI has clearly stated that all of them are on queue. So I believe that he is still going on and to get the rest. Then there was this question about the officers who are on duty at the Central Police Station then, and why they were interdicted. I did that to allow, and I did indicate from the word go that myself as the Inspector General and the leadership of the police, and even the entire National Police Service, we are very much interested to get to know who are these, or who is this who committed this heinous crime. For that reason, the officers who are on duty at that particular time, when the late Albert Ojwang was brought in, were interdicted to pave way for the investigations, which we want to be done expeditiously. All of us, the Kenyan people, are interested to get to know. So basically that is the reason why these are the people, the officers who are on duty, they step aside to allow for that investigation. And that is exactly what happened, because they were there when all these issues that we are discussing here happened. Thank you, Chair. There was this question about the CCTV footage. Yes, at the Central Police Station, we have CCTV. Currently, as I did indicate, the investigations are ongoing, being carried out by the IPOA. While we were at Senate yesterday, it was mentioned that the power of one of the CCTVs had actually been plucked off. However, the experts are looking at the hard drive and to reconstruct everything. So I believe we are also going to get a lot of information. The investigators are going to get a lot of information from the CCTV. And number two, we're also going to get to know who is this that unplugged the power from the power source. So all that is subject to that investigation that is currently ongoing. The question by Honorable Losabuyu on do you think DIG KBS should step aside to allow for investigations?
The urgency of sending these officers to go to Migori, Homa Bay, was it discussed before rushing to arrest? I think I asked the question.
Yeah, Honorable Chair, there was